Are you familiar with do you know what a piñata is?
It's like a dummy for the sweets, isn't it?
No, no, no. Like a piñata, it's like like at a children's birthday party.
Yeah,
it's like an animal figurine that's filled with
yeah,
candy, and the
yeah.
kids go with a
For the
stick and
sweets,
whack it.
sure.
You ever you know what I'm talking about?
Yeah,
Yeah. So like it's funny. I've been reading I'm reading this book right now. It's by Milet, and it's called The Power of One More. And Ed is sharing this story, and I don't know if it's a made up story that he's sharing or if it's something that he actually experienced. But he's given this example of he's at a young kid's party, and like the first kid comes up, he takes like 15 whacks at it, and he gets like pissed off and like throws a stick up in the air and like runs into the house like crying. He's thinking like I didn't accomplish anything. Next kid comes up,
mm.
takes like three more whacks at it, nothing happens. He gets angry, like screams at his mom, like this thing's broken. Why is nothing happening? Like five, six more kids go, like nothing's happening. Like and then slowly like a small little hole will appear. One piece of candy comes out. But then you guys know how it always happens, right? If anybody's ever done this, the final kid will come up. Usually it's the birthday kid, and he does one or two swings, and the entire thing opens up, right? Everybody knows.
Right,
Everybody
yeah.
has experienced this. Did that kid in one or two swings did he have enough power to shatter that entire pinata, or was it collectively the 9 and 10 kids that pound, 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 hit after hit after hit? So for you, when you opened up, and I could hear it in their tone of the voice, like you feel defeated to a certain extent. And I don't know if anybody else that
Yeah.
maybe didn't have the best week is feeling defeated as well. What you have to understand is this is a process, right? There's a reason why the program is 16 weeks long. If I could have given you the solution to your problems in a shorter period of time, I would have done that. Like, trust me, I would have given you the shortest amount of time to solve this problem. But what I do know is when you show up every single week and you take intentional action, working towards becoming the man that is no longer going to need this, those are the hits on the pinata. And what I guarantee every single one of you is going to reach a point. If you still feel like you're struggling, there will come a point when you have that aha moment and you're like, okay, that was the final strike at the pinata that now has revealed to me all that I have and how I actually need to be attacking this thing. So I hopefully that gives every single one of you a word of encouragement that as long as you're showing up every single day, as long as you're taking the swings at the pinata, you are making progress. Have faith in yourself, trust the process, and know that in time, if you do the work, every single one of you is starting at a different point though in this journey. So some may experience some wins a little bit sooner, others it may take more swings. And what that may be is like you may just have a thicker pinata, but every single pinata at one point or not will break open.